Good morning, friends. So, in this fitness episode, today we will talk about why leg workout is essential. Legs are the foundation of our overall strength. Walking, running से लेके jumping या lifting weight से legs are involved everywhere. It supports us everywhere. So, advantages of leg workout: build strength in the muscles, larger muscles of the body, hamstring, calves, and quadriceps. When we do the squats, it builds strength and it helps in the stability and balancing the body. Third one, it is very important to do leg workout if you want to lose weight, because we are working on the larger muscle group of the body, and when we are at rest, they help to lose calories even at the rest because it boosts the metabolism. So friends, do not forget to include leg day in your fitness schedule and stay tuned for my next episode covering upper body fitness schedule. Stay fit, stay blessed.